Hello my beautiful YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. It is really good to have you here. Well, so today I'm sharing with you how I made this Ghanaian popular Kontomire Abomu or spinach dip without the use of the popular wooden grinder. In 2023 modern day cooking, there are so many appliances to make cooking fun and easy. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so and activate your bell icon. Medasi bebre. Now let's get cooking. So I am using frozen spinach. Eja abrichira brabo. Into busy life. So sometimes it helps to stock these in the freezer for easy access of our favorite ingredients. I just added turkey berries or quinces and some hot pepper, and these are my onions that have just been added as well, together with some carrots. This koobi has been in the water for some while. I have washed and drained the water once. This is my second time washing it, and most of the salt has been removed. Now going with a little water, enough to cook the vegetables and bring it to a boil. Coming back about 7 to 8 minutes, the turkey berries are cooked and so it is ready. On the other side, I have my plantains and I'm going to use the back of the knife to scrape the surface just like so. Yes, just like this. I'll go ahead and place them in my saucepan, finish it up, and then wash some eggs, add it, and then put it on the cooker to cook. Mommy enka na Ghana local foods there. Kasa. Well, so coming back to our vegetables, it is time to grind this in the most easiest and fun way possible. I have added all the aromatics together with the carrots and the turkey berries in my earthenware, and now I will go in with a little bit of the koobi. Please be sure to take away all the bones so that it is child friendly. Now it is done, and instead of grabbing the standard wooden grinder, I am going in with my hand blender. First of all, as you can see, I'm just using it to mash it up without pressing on the power button. This process will ensure that the blending is as smooth and fun as possible. Now I am ready. So go on and press your power button intermittently to mash it up further before the actual grinding. And hello, if you are new to my channel, you are so very much welcome. Please consider to join us by subscribing and importantly activate your bell icon so anytime I upload you'll be notified. Thank you very much. Now that I've got everything mashed up, as you can see, I am grinding it in circular motion. This ensures minimum splashing in the process. Go in with a little bit of peanut butter paste, some salt to taste, and then continue to grind. This method is so easy, especially if you have an earthenware that is old and does not grind easily with a wooden grinder or the ETA. You know what I'm talking about, right? Yes, this will be your best method. Now the spinach is in, and do it exactly as I am doing. You would simply fall in love with this method. You are absolutely in charge of how smooth or rough you want your spinach dip. Now I'm doing the circular grinding again, and look how everything has just come together in a flash. No manpower, no, easy cooking dear. Wine and pay. My dear, once that is done, just take a spatula and mix everything up nicely. On a pan, go in with your palm oil. This one is from my palm nut soup, so it is flavored as well. And then fry your onions. With me here are mackerel fillets in tomato sauce and one in sunflower oil. I'll go ahead and open the one in tomato sauce and pour in my fried onion. Yes, I'll stir everything together. And then I'll add some mixed herbs to give it so much flavor. Just look at how beautiful this is. Go in and pour it beautifully on our Kontomire Abomo. Serve it with some eggs, some avocado, and of course, the signature koobi. Yen some fat mackerel fillet in kahu. Wash it looks so beautiful, and it was actually so delicious. This was divine. I hope you enjoyed this. Please give the video a thumbs up and I'll see you again. Bye bye.